Hello everybody, this is Nerds Gaming. As you can see, this is the Spongebob Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated Edition, F.U.N Edition. F.U.N Edition.
Not sponsored, we
Not sponsored, we just bought
our own money.
We just bought this. We're not sponsored. It'd be cool if THQ would sponsor it. There you go. Now, let's get this bad boy open. First,
That's the box I was talking about.
I know. Chill. You're gonna have to help me with this.
Sorry.
I didn't grab the other side.
Sorry. Okay, you got it? This is not what it looks like, by the way.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. Alright, you can go put that somewhere.
Okay.
I got it. Hang on a sec, guys.
People. Don't worry. I'll put
This is the out exterior. Side. Other side. Ooh. Back. And it is on PlayStation because it is a single player game. And I like my single player games on PlayStation. Sue me. Please don't. It's rhetorical.
It's a rhetorical question. It was one of those rhetorical sue me things.
All this is owned by THQ and the rightful owners of SpongeBob. Not sponsored. Please do not sue us.
We bought this with our own money.
Oh shit. There's two sides. I'm gonna keep this box. That side somewhere.
I'm going to put it in my room.
That's fine. Alright. This is the box without the covering. Front. Side. Other side. Back. Yeah. How does this motherfucker open?
I believe they're both the same sides. Is that what it was shown?
Yeah. Nope. Found it.
Technical difficulties for now.
Oh, pretty. So pretty. Comes with
the
game on PlayStation. Socks. Get to be open. No, not till I'm done.
What's that?
Don't know. Comes with this. We'll open it after I get everything out.
What's that? The keychain!
Which we will open. We'll get to the statues here in a second. Because those are big. And they're hard to fucking finagle. Let me throw this out.
Okay,
Thank
hold
you.
on a little bit.
Socks. Which are just SpongeBob socks.
Can I have those?
That say Bikini Bottom on them. Awesome. There you go.
Hold on.
This thingy, which will probably end up going on my wall. As you can see. It'll probably end up going underneath price here. Or probably go underneath price. Holy shit. That's not just one. Okay, so you got this one. This one. It's just artwork, essentially. Yes, man. it up. This one. Hey, this one.
Yeah, that's right. I'm wearing them.
And there's that one. These are all just artwork, but these are probably going to end up going on my wall.
Oh, that's cool.
Hot. I just came from work. I'm hot as fuck.
Wait. For all you who don't know where David works.
No. No. Mm-mm. Tiki torch. Keychains. Which are
Actually, they're called tikis. Just tikis.
They're tikis. We got
the wooden one.
this one.
That's the wooden one.
Which is that. We'll put it back in here. Because it goes there, and I'm not sure what we're going to do with them yet. There's that one.
That's the sensitive one. Only SpongeBob can break those.
There's that one.
Let me take a look at that so I can see what kind of tiki this is.
Here's
I believe this is the floating one. That is the exploding one.
He knows this. I kind of barely remember the game. I liked it. I know I liked it. I barely remember it. You know, there's a chair you can sit on, right?
Nah, I'm fine standing up.
Okay.
And the last tiki keychain is the rock hard one, which only Patrick can pick up.
Which is that. And that is Tiki's. And the socks, which he is now wearing. I don't know. Don't ask me. For all you enthusiasts that find that sound soothing, which I know I do.
Welcome to the ASMR. Today we'll be crinkling wrappers behind you.
The boxes... Do not do that. The box is nice. I mean, it's got some detail on the back of it. It's got some pictures and some good information. Same thing with the front. Good. Inside is just the disc, which is nice. First off, we got... Oh my god, I was right. These are interesting. Wait, what is this? I did not see this.
Oh!
Oh!
Fatheads!
Yeah, look at that. Sorry, had to. Like that. We got this one, which is the name of the game. Couple leaves, I want to say.
No, those are clouds in the SpongeBob universe.
SpongeBob, Patrick, and Chum Robot? Chum Bucket Robot?
No, Spark Robot? I don't remember his name.
And on this one you got... And this one you got more clouds, Sandy, Parachute Robot, a Tiki, SpongeBob's Pineapple House, another robot with a giant...
The one with the big hand is the Hammer Robot. The one with the umbrella is the Thunder Robot, and just a Tiki.
And then on this one you got original artwork, Gary, Jellyfish, Sandy, Patrick, and SpongeBob in his jellyfish glasses. I hope I got that right.
That's actually true.
And then on this one you got still classic cartoon artwork, Patrick, Jellyfish, Clouds, SpongeBob and Patrick on hooks, and then you got the gang, SpongeBob, Gary, Patrick, and Sandy. And then on this one you got still classic artwork.
One from the episode where SpongeBob pulls the spatula from the golden spatula from Greece. If you haven't seen that one, and I don't remember its name.
Still classic artwork. Got still some of the guys doing stuff from the cartoon. If you haven't seen the cartoon, what are you doing with your life? Watch the cartoon.
Watch it!
And then you got the rest of the gang. Gary looking over at Squidward for some reason. Got Mr. Krabs, and you got Plankton as well. And those will probably end up going somewhere in both of our rooms on the walls. Some of these will probably be in here. Some of these will probably be in his room. We haven't decided yet. Alright, on to the fun part. The fun part we got Patrick figurine.
With the watermelon and underwear for some reason.
That's the front looks like. Side, back, just a picture of overall what from the front you can see. Side, top, bottom. That's Patrick. Then you got SpongeBob with Gary doing his little face. Side, other side, top, bottom. And then you got Sandy.
What do I do with this?
I don't know. Do we want to keep the box?
I don't know. Do you?
Not really.
Okay, then I'll go put it with the trash box.
I mean, it's a nice looking box. I mean, we can keep it if you really want to. Is there a point to?
Not really.
Other than the fact that it looks nice?
Other than the fact that it looks nice, but not really.
Making sure there's no tape on these. And he left the door open. Fix these. Nice artwork on the inside. It's actually not that heavy. This is the artwork on the inside of the box that I was talking about. Really nice, really well done. I think it's from the original I think these are some of the original sketches they had, too. Huh. Interesting.
What do I do with the box?
Don't care. Oh! Hey, wait, Adam.
Yeah?
Don't throw those boxes away.
Oh, okay.
Don't throw the ones that the statues came in away. Just put these back in them and put them somewhere for later, just in case we ever move with them, so that we can travel safe. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. We'll turn it. Really good attention to detail here. I love it. It's beautiful. Here, I'll get you a closer look at it. They have really good attention to detail on Sandy's face and rope. Like, you can actually tell that it's a rope. Well, this is Sandy. Perfect. That's exactly where I would have put it, probably. Oh, that was... my phone. I'll turn it down. What do I got here? Who do I got here? SpongeBob. Like I said with the Sandy one, just put this somewhere. Hang on, let me get this out. Let me get Mr. SpongeBob out of this.
Artwork as the previous one in his pictures, by the way. Wait!
What? Oh, okay.
That goes in one of his hands.
Yes, but which one?
Nah.
Oh, the only one that's open. There. And here's SpongeBob outside of the box. He's on top of a giant robot head next to Gary, which was right here. He's got a spatula in his hand that was inside the box that you had to put in his in his hand. So the statue is some assembly required, but it's like a small piece. Not everyone's gonna be like, yeah, it's okay. Some statues, there are small pieces that you need to do for that. Really good attention to detail on SpongeBob and Gary here. And especially the giant robot head. And the spatula. It's really nice gold color. That is SpongeBob. Where are you going with that?
Mine!
No. I wanted the whole set. Now it's just gonna be interesting up there because now it's just gonna be Sandy and Patrick, which is sad. Damn. He's not gonna be able to find a place for that, and he's gonna come back with it and be like, I can't find a place for it. Oh, really? I'm gonna wait for him to open the next one. Actually, I'm just gonna do it because he took my SpongeBob. He took my SpongeBob. He took my SpongeBob. How could you?
I like SpongeBob.
Oh, that's an interesting smell.
For you that cannot smell this, it smells funky.
It does smell pretty funk. And here's Patrick, the final statue in the F.U.N Edition. The F.U.N Edition is basically a collector's item. It basically comes with all three statues. There's three different versions you can get. There's the standard edition, which is just the game. The F.U.N Edition, which is all three of these statues. And what was the other one?
The deluxe edition, which only comes with the SpongeBob statue.
Which is just one. But the F.U.N Edition comes with SpongeBob, Patrick, and Sandy, the socks, the tikis, the stickers, which... Did the deluxe edition Did the deluxe edition come with the stickers too, or...?
No, possibly not.
Okay, then that's just the F.U.N thing. The F.U.N Edition is basically all three statues. Put him next to Sandy. Yep, there you go. Basically, the F.U.N Edition is all three statues, the keychains, the socks, the picture cutouts, the fat heads, the game. The deluxe edition is assumably SpongeBob. It's just SpongeBob and maybe the cutouts and the stickers, but I have no idea. I got the F.U.N edition and a standard edition. But the deluxe, the F.U.N edition does come with the game. It's part of it, and it is pretty cool, I would say. Pretty steep, though. Ran me about...
$300, possibly.
No. Yeah, it was plus your game. It ran me... about 200. So if you're willing to spend $200 on $200 on a game plus 3 statues, stickers, some pictures, and tiki keychains, go ahead and do it. You know, it's good collector's items. Like, as you can see, I'm a collector, so those will be nicely used and viewed from this webcam. I will do some sort of gameplay with it over the next course of a couple days, more than likely. And that is all. Have a good day, everybody.
Bye!